more video, please subscribe this channel. Student, today we discuss about the remaining questions of the practice set 2.6 of the chapter 2nd quadratic equation. The first question, mean that question number 6 is Mr. Qasim runs a small business. म्हणजे कासिमने एक स्मॉल बिझनेस रन करायचं ठरवलं, मेकिंग अर्थन पॉट म्हणजेच मातीची भांडी. मातीच्या भांड्यांचा एक स्मॉल बिझनेस तयार करायचं ठरवलं. He makes certain number of pots on daily basis. Production cost of each pot is ₹40 more than 10 times total number of the pots. म्हणजे pots म्हणजे भांडी जेवढी असतील त्याच्या 10 पटीपेक्षा 40 ने काय होते प्रोडक्शन कॉस्ट होती प्रत्येक भांड्याची मातीच्या भांड्याची. He makes in one day. If production cost of all pots per day is 600 म्हणजे पूर्ण त्याची कॉस्ट होती पर डे म्हणजे एका दिवसाची 600 रुपीस. Find the production cost of one pot and the number of pots he makes per day. Now student, we have to take here the number of pots is suppose that x, and then we have to find out its production of the pot. Okay, its solution is let the number of earth pots be x. Therefore the total cost for each pot, therefore the cost for each pot is, look carefully, 40 more than 10 times the number of the pots. Mean that this is the number of pots, it's 10 times, mean that 10x more than 40 means 40. Okay, then if the production cost of all pots per day is 600 rupees, the production cost of all pots per day is rupees 600. Therefore from using given condition, the given condition, we write here the number of the pots into the cost of per pots, mean that x into 10x plus 40 is equals to how much? The total cost per day, mean that 600. Then student, we multiply this x to this whole bracket, we get that 10x square plus 40x is equals to how much? 600. Transpose this 600 to this side, we give that 10x square plus 40x minus 600 is equals to 0. Look carefully, this plus transpose here minus. Then we have dividing both side by 10. Dividing both sides by 10 we get. This is reducible equation. Therefore, x square plus 4x minus how much? 60 is equals to 0. Student, this is a quadratic equation which having a is 1 and c is minus 60, so that the product of 1 into minus 60 is equals to minus 60. Find out the factors of minus 60 such that which having addition is plus 4, mean that delta. Now the product is also simple, 10 6. Now give the proper sign. Here is 4 having plus sign, so I have to take here plus and here minus. The product is minus 60 and addition becomes plus 4. So split for middle term. Therefore x square plus 10x minus 6x minus 60 is equals to 0. Then take the group of two numbers, take common here x in bracket, x plus 10 minus 6 in bracket, x plus 10 is equals to 0. Because when we multiply this minus 6 to this whole bracket, we get that minus 6x minus plus minus 6 10 the 60. Then take common bracket first, then remaining values x minus 6 is equals to 0. Then we know that the property, if the product of two terms is 0, then at least one of them must be 0. Therefore, x plus 10 is equals to 0 or x minus 6 is equals to 0. Therefore, transpose this 10 to this side, we get that x is equals to minus 10 or x is equals to how much? 6. But student, the number of the earthen pot cannot be negative. Therefore, this is not acceptable. But the number of earthen pots cannot be negative. Therefore, x is equals to minus 10 is unacceptable. Therefore, the acceptable value is x is equals to 0. Therefore, the answer in full sentence, here we have to find the production cost of one pot and the number of the pots he makes per day. Therefore, the number of earthen pot is x is equals to 6 and the production cost of one pot and the production cost of one pot is equals to, now here is 10x plus 40 is equals to 10 into x is 6 plus 40, mean that 60 plus 40 becomes how much? 100 rupees. Therefore, this is the cost of one pot. Can you understand? Okay, we see the next question. The next question is question number 7. Pratik takes 8 hours to travel 36 km downstream and return to the same spot. Student, here Pratik takes 8 hours to travel. आता इथे या उदाहरणामध्ये विचारात घ्यायचं की प्रतीक हा बोटनेच प्रवास करतोय, बोटीने म्हणजे नाव. आता प्रतीक टेक्स 8 hours to travel 36 km downstream म्हणजे प्रवाहाच्या दिशेने and return म्हणजे upstream म्हणजे प्रवाहाच्या विरुद्ध दिशेने to the same spot म्हणजे पुन्हा त्याच ठिकाणी येतोय. The speed of the boat in still water म्हणजे संत पाण्याचा वेग किती? 12 km/h. Find the speed of water current म्हणजे त्या पाण्याचा प्रवाहाचा वेग काढा. Okay student, here solution. Here the given here the speed of boat in still water is 12 km/h. Now we have to find the speed of the water current. Let the speed of water current be x km/h. Suppose that the speed of that water current be x km/h. Student, here x is less than this 12 because this is the speed of the boat. Still water संत पाण्याचा वेग तो कमी असेल. Now student, then Pratik takes 8 hours to travel 36 km downstream and return to the same spot. Means that here is distance is 36 km and time taken here 8 hours. Means that we know that the formula we know. The formula is distance upon speed is equals to how much? Time. By using this formula, we have to find out these values here. Here is the speed of boat downstream is stream. So we write here 12 plus x. Means that this is the speed of the boat and the current flow is also. Means that plus x kilometer per hour and the speed of boat upstream is upstream means that there is 12 minus x kilometer per hour. विरुद्ध दिशेने बोटीला प्रतिरोध निर्माण होईल म्हणून 12 minus x. रोध निर्माण झाला 12 minus x स्पीड झाली म्हणजे कमी होईल डिक्रीज होईल. Then we use this formula to solve the example. Therefore, from given condition, now here is the distance is 36 km travel by the boat upon. At that time the speed of the downstream is how much? 12 plus x. Plus again return here means that the distance is 36 again, and at that time the return means that upstream is speed is 12 minus x. Total time required is 8 hours. Means that is equals to how much? 8. Now first I have to find out its LCM. The LCM is 12 plus x, 12 minus x. Then multiply this 12 minus x to this 36. Means that 36 into 12 minus x plus here is 36 into this 12 plus x is equals to how much? 8. Look carefully the calculation. Then take 36 as common. Then in bracket 12 minus x plus 12 plus x upon this is 12 plus x into 12 minus x. Directly we write here a plus b, a minus b means that a square minus b square means that 12 square minus x square is equals to how much? 8. Then student, this minus x and plus x get cancelled means that 36 upon 36 into 12 plus 12 becomes 24 upon this value becomes 144 minus x is equals to how much? 8. Then this denominator convert as numerator, therefore 36 into 24 is equals to 8 into 144 minus x. Then again this 8 goes to denominator means that 36 into 24 upon 8 is equals to 144 minus how much? X square. Then simplify it, 8 1 is 8, 8 3 are. Then the product is 3 6 are 18 carries 1, 3 3 are 9 plus 1 is 10 is equals to 144 minus x square. I have to transfer this minus x square to this side and this plus 108 to this side. We get that. Therefore, here is x square plus x square convert as plus, then this as minus. Therefore, the subtraction becomes okay 14 minus 8 becomes 6. Here is 3 as it is 1 minus 1 is 0. Means that x square is equal to 36. Taking square root of both sides. Therefore, x is equals to plus minus 6 because plus 6 having also square 36 and minus 6 having also square 36. Student, here is the river current. It cannot be negative, so that x is equals to minus 6 is not accepted. Means, but the river current cannot be negative. Therefore, x is equals to minus 6 is unacceptable. Mean that therefore x is equals to how much? 6. Therefore, the answer in full sentence. Therefore, the speed of water. Therefore, the speed days जास्त लागतात कोणापेक्षा निशूपेक्षा. इफ दे वर्क टुगेदर दे फिनिश इट इन 4 days. म्हणजे त्यांनी जर एकत्र काम केलं तर 4 दिवसामध्ये ते काम काय करतात फिनिश करतात. हाऊ मेनी डेज वुड इट टेक टू कंप्लीट द वर्क इफ दे वर्क अलोन. म्हणजे जर त्यांनी एकट्याने जर काम करायचं जर ठरवलं तर त्यांना किती दिवस लागतील हे आपल्याला यातनं काढायचं. स्टुडंट, व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट एक्झाम्पल, इट्स सोल्युशन इज. Now look carefully here. Pintu takes 6 days more. So first we take the work done by the Nishu. Means that let Nishu takes X days to complete a certain work. Then Pintu takes X plus 6 days to complete a certain work. That is the same work. Okay, then now here we take in 1 day how many work done by Nishu and Pintu. Now therefore in 1 day Nishu does 1 upon x, means एका दिवसातला हा एवढा भाग झाला 1 upon x part of the work and Pintu does 1 upon x plus 6 part of the work. म्हणजेच पिंटूला 1 upon x plus 6 पार्ट लागेल. देन आता या दोघांनी मिळून एका दिवसात किती काम केलं आपल्याला याचा विचार करावा लागेल. मीन दॅट in one day they together works is equals to 1 upon x plus 6 part of the work. In 1 day they together work 1 upon x plus 1 upon x plus 6 part of the work. Mean that is 1 upon x plus 1 upon x plus 6 is equals to, now we take its LCM means x in bracket x plus 6. Now then by cross multiplication x plus 6 plus x means x plus x is twice x plus 6 upon x square plus 6x work done by both of them. Now this is work done in 1 day. Now student, if they work together they finish it in 4 days. Therefore the total number of days taken by them together to complete the work is, आपल्याला इथे total number of the days काढून घ्यावं लागणार आहे. Therefore the total number of days taken by them together to complete the work is. Now दोघांना मिळून ते काम घेणार आहे म्हणजे त्याचा रेसिप्रोकल विचारात घेऊया. मीन्स इज x स्क्वेअर प्लस 6x अपॉन twice x plus 6. ओके. given condition. From given condition. They work together, means this work x square plus 6x upon twice x plus 6 is complete in how many days? 4 days. Then by cross multiplication we get x square plus 6x is equals to 4 into twice x plus 6. Multiply it by 4 we get x square plus 6x is equals to 8x plus 24. Transfer all this to this side we get, therefore x square plus 6x minus 8x minus 24 is equals to 0. Then the subtraction of them is x square minus 2x minus 24 is equals to 0. Use the sign of the bigger number. Then this is an quadratic equation. Find out the factors of a is 1 and minus 24, means that this is c, means 1 into minus 24 is equals to minus 24. Find out the factors of minus 24 such that which having addition is minus 1. It is also simple, 6 4. Use the sign of the bigger number here, minus, and here plus. The product is minus 24 and the addition is minus 2. Split it for middle term. Therefore, x square minus 6x plus 4x minus 24 is equals to 0. Then, take common here x in bracket x minus 6 plus 4 in bracket x minus 6 is equals to how much? 0. Then, x minus 6 you have to write, and then another bracket x plus 4 is equals to how much? 0. Means x minus 6 is equals to 0 or x plus 4 is equals to 0. Means x is equals to 6 or x is equals to minus 4. But x is equals to minus 4 is unacceptable because work Nishu takes x days, days cannot be negative, so that I have to write here, but the number of days cannot be negative. Therefore, x is equals to minus 4 is unacceptable. Therefore, x is equals to how much? 6. X is equals to 6. Therefore, the answer in full sentence. Now here I have to write answer. Therefore, Nishu takes. Nishu takes 6 days and Pintu takes x plus 6 is equals to 6 plus 6 is equal to 12 days. Can you understand this? Okay. We see the next question. Student, very important question. Next question, question number 9. If 460 is divided by a natural number, म्हणजे 460 ला natural number ने divide केलं, then the question is 6 more than 5 times the divisor. म्हणजे divisor च्या 5 पटीपेक्षा 6 ने question काय मोठा आहे. At that time the remainder is 1, तेव्हा बाकी 1 येते. Find the question and the divisor. So here first take divisor here. Solution. Let the divisor be x. Then the question is equals to. Now here is 5 times the divisor. The question is 6 more than 5 times the divisor. Means that 5 times means 5x plus 6. 5x plus 6 is the question. Now student, we know one formula. Dividend is equals to divide divisor into question plus remainder. Dividend is equals to divisor into question plus remainder. We use here dividend is given here 460 is equals to divisor is x here into quotient is 5x plus 6 plus remainder is 1. Then multiply this, we get 460 is equals to 5x square plus 6x plus 1. Then transpose this to this other side, there is 0, I have write 0 to this side, RHS, we get that 5x square plus 6x plus 1 minus 460 is equals to how much? 0. Then subtraction of this one is 5x square plus 6x, this one is minus 459 is equals to 0. Student, this is a quadratic equation. Now first the value of A is 5 and C is minus 459. First we have to find out the product of these ones. Means that here 5 into minus 459 is equals to 5 9s are 45 carries 4, 5 5s are 25 plus 4 becomes 29 carries 2, 5 4s are 20, 20 plus 2 is 22. Here is sign is minus. Now we have to factorize it and then split for the middle term. Student, this is the bigger number. So first I have to find how to factorize it. Look carefully. This is simple method. You have to study in 5th and 6th standard here. Now first I have to find its factor. Mean that 2295. Student, unit place is 5. So divide it by 5. 5 4s are 20. Carry is 2. 29. 5 25. Carry is 4. 5 9. Student, we cannot divide it again by 5. Now, but use the divisible test. 9 plus 5 becomes 14 plus 4 is 18. We can divide it by 3. So I have taken here 3. 3 ones are 3. Then remaining is 1 here. 3 5s are. Then 3 3s are. Then again we can divide it by 3. 3 5s are. 3 1s are. Then 51. Again we divide it by 3. 3 1s are. 3 7. Then 17 1s are 17. Because this is prime. Then out of this factor we take two groups such that which having addition is middle terms, mean that 6. If we take here 17 3s are 51, 5 9s are 45. The difference between them is 6. So that this is the correct factor. So I have to split it such way 51 and 45. Can you understand how to find out these factors? Okay. Now here gives the proper sign. Plus sign for the bigger number and here is smaller number takes minus sign. Student, when we take its product it becomes minus 2295 and addition is plus 6. So I have to split it for middle term. Therefore 5x square plus 51x minus 45x minus 459 is equals to how much? 0. Then we take common here x in bracket. Look carefully. When we take common here x, then 5x plus 51. When we multiply this x to this bracket, we get that 5x square plus 51x. Then student, look carefully. In this first bracket 5x plus 51 means that this is the common bracket. So second is also 5x plus 51. So take common. If you have to take common here 9, then 9 5s are, means we take here minus 9 common, 9 5s are plus, you have to directly take here 51. If you multiply this 9 minus 9 to this one is, this would becomes minus 45x, minus plus minus, here is also minus, then 9 ones are 9, 9 5s are 45. Can you understand how to write it? Okay, is equals to how much? 0. Then take common bracket first, 5x plus 51, another bracket x minus 9 is equals to 0. Means if the product of two terms is 0, then at least one of them must be 0, or x minus 9 is equals to 0. Means here 5x is equals to minus 51 or x is equals to 9. Therefore x is equals to minus 51 upon 5 or x is equals to how much? 9. Student, here is the divisor be x and here is natural number. Natural number. Student, all of you know that natural number cannot be negative. Therefore, but natural numbers cannot be negative. Therefore, x is equals to minus 51 upon 5 is not acceptable, means that unacceptable. Therefore, x is equals to how much? 9. Then the answer in full sentence. Therefore, answer, the divisor is x is equals to 9, and the question is equals to, question is 5x plus 6, means that 5x plus 6 means 5 into 9 plus 6, 9 5s are 45 plus 6 is equals to how much? 50. Can you understand this? Okay, thank you very much. Okay student, we take the last question of the practice set 2.6 of the chapter number 2. The question 10. In the given trapezium ABCD, AB is parallel with CD. AB is parallel with CD. Its area is given 33 square centimeter. Find the length of its four sides. चारी पण बाजूची आपल्याला length काढायची from the given information in the figure. Fill in the boxes to get the solution. Now the first one is, its solution is, look here, quadrilateral ABCD is trapezium. AB is parallel with CD. So we know that the formula of area of trapezium is equals to half into sum of the length of the parallel sides into its height. Here is area of ABCD, quadrilateral ABCD is equal to half into sum of this length, means that AB plus CD into its height. Height is how much? AM. Then this area becomes 33 is equals to half into AB is x plus twice x plus 1 into AM is x minus 4. X minus 4. Substituting the given values. Then these two transpose to this side, we get that 33 into 2 is how much? 66. Then x plus twice x is thrice x plus 1, and here is x minus 4 as it is, in bracket multiplying it, x minus 4. Student, this is the next step. Now by using this, when we multiply this x minus 4 to this bracket, we get that one quadratic equation. I have to show this, but how to its multiplication. X into this one becomes 3x square, then x 1x, then minus 4, 3 is 12x, then plus minus 4 is equals to 66. Then we write here 3x square, the subtraction becomes minus 11x, and when we transpose this 66 to this another side, convert as minus 4 and minus 66 becomes minus 70 is equals to 0. This is an quadratic equation. Student, here 3x square plus, I have to write here minus 11x in bracket, in this box minus 11x, and this minus 70. Then this is an quadratic equation. Find out the product of A and C. A is 3 and C is minus 70. mean that 3 into minus 70 is equals to minus 210. Student, find out the factors of minus 210 such that which having addition is how much? Minus 11x. Then the product is also simple, 21/10. Now here gives the sign minus for 21 and this for 20 plus. Then the subtraction between them is minus 11 and the product is minus 210. So I have to split for middle term this value, then we write here minus 21x here plus 10x, here is minus 70 as it is. Okay, then next is, here it take common 3x, then remaining is x minus 7. Here is plus 10, here is remaining here x minus again 7. Student, they take common bracket first, mean that x minus 7. And remaining values in another bracket. Student, all of you know that the product of two terms is 0, then at least one of them must be 0. So that x minus 7 is equal to 0. Transpose this 7 to this another side. Directly here write plus 7. Then 3x is equals to minus 10. Then x is equals to minus 10 upon 3. But the length cannot be negative. We have to find out here length. So that x is equals to minus 10 upon 3 is unacceptable. Therefore, x is equals to 7. Now, the unit is centimeter, so I have to write centimeter. Then find out the remaining values of the sides, mean that length of the sides. The length of AD is x. X is 7, so I have to write here 7 centimeter. The length of CD is twice x plus 1, mean that twice into 7 means 14 plus 1, mean that 15 centimeter. Then, this is AD and BC is x minus 2. Mean that 7 minus 2 becomes how much? 5 centimeter of each side. This is our last question of the practice set 2.6. Thank you very much.